Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a new Gmail account. So let's get started. So if you want to create a new Gmail account, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Gmail application. After opening up your Gmail application, now in the top right corner you will find your profile icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on add another account and then select Google. After selecting Google, now what you have to do is just tap on create account and then select for what use you want to create your account. So if it's for personal use, you can just tap on this option, or if it's for business use, then you have to tap on for work or my business. So I'll just tap on personal use. After tapping on that, now in order to create an account, you just have to enter your first name and your surname. After entering it, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now what you can do is just enter the date of birth. After entering your date of birth, just select a gender and then tap on next, which is on the bottom right. After tapping on next, now you can just simply create a Gmail address by tapping on create your own Gmail address, or you can select any one of those email address which you can find above. So I'll just select it. You can just create one if you don't like the above email address. So after selecting it, now what you have to do is just create a password for your account. So just make sure that you create a strong password. After creating a password, what you can do is just tap on next, which is on the bottom right. After tapping on next, now what you have to do is just enter your phone number. So if you don't want to enter your phone number, then you can just simply tap on skip, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. But if you don't want to enter it, then what you can do is just simply link your account with your phone number. So after doing that, what you have to do is just tap on next, but I don't want to enter my phone number, then I'll just tap on skip. After tapping on skip, if you have entered your phone number, then you have to verify it through a 6-digit code. So after verifying it, now you'll come up to this page. From here you just have to tap on next, which is on the bottom right. After tapping on next, just scroll down and then tap on I agree. After tapping on I agree, now you have successfully created your Gmail account. So if you just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, then you can find the new account that you have created. So you can see guys, this was the account that I have just created. So in this way you can also create a new Gmail account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a new Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.